Guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install apps on Samsung TV. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to press the home button. I don't know if you see good here, but you just need to, on your remote, you press home button. And after that, you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to apps. And then you can press on the search icon on the top right corner and just write the app name, or simply you can look for recommended, editor's choice, maybe what's new, or as you can see, you can sort it out by genre, sports, game, lifestyle, and more. So let's look for sports. And then let's see, I want to install Shoof app. So I just need to press on the app and press install. And after a few minutes, it will be installed to my TV, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.